Good morning, may buntag. Welcome to my channel, Visaya Made in Washington. Don't forget to subscribe and click like. Thank you and enjoy watching. I'm in the bookstore today. I'm in the bookstore today in Barnes and Nobles. Me and Andrew is storing here. He likes books. He loves books. So we're here. There's a different fictions. U.S. history, World War II. Yeah, U.S. history right there. And then that's a World War II. And then there's a military history. World history, and then social sciences, that one, the world history, social sciences, this here, and this one here is true crime, right there, true crime. And then another true crime. These are the sections of true crime. Those are the world history, social sciences. Those are social sciences. And this one here, world history, U.S. history, another U.S. history. This one is the current affairs. These are Andrew loves books. He likes to read. So thank you for joining. Enjoy watching. Don't forget to watch and subscribe and likes Visaya Made in Washington. Thank you. See you next time. Thank you for watching.